chosen to see how I do my skincare, not my skincare routine, but you want to see the actual skincare routine. Anyway, that's fine, that's good. Just remember, you can see the products in the other video, although you're going to see them in this one. And also, you can see the makeup tutorial if you just watch this. Let's go. So first off, I wanted to show you the Nip and Fab Exfoliant Glycolic Scrub Fix, and I love using this. However, I'm not going to be using it on my face today just because I've already used it once this week and I don't like to scrub my face too much. Anyway, moving on, I'm now going to just rinse my face, get it nice and moist. It's already been, I've washed it with some soap. Yeah, really bad, but I am going in now with my cleanser, and this is the Nip and Fab Glycolic Cleansing Fix, and I like to put that on a brush, or cleansing brush should I say, just because I don't like using my hands because I like the bristles, you know, I like the feel of it actually feeling like it's going into my pores and into my skin, giving a deeper skin cleanse, and I can feel the pressure that I'm doing. So if I'm going too hard, then obviously I can go softer, and I just like to do this for a couple of minutes, you know, making sure that I've got every place in point on my face and underneath my chin, and I do go down my neck as well. Then I'm going to just rinse that off, and then I'm going to move on to doing my serum. But yeah, I want to have a dry face for this, so I'm going to just dry my face, and then I'm going to move on to my Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix serum, and I use 2 pumps normally daily, and some days I will use 1, but I typically just use 2 pumps. Then I like to massage that into my skin. I like to massage my skin rather than just placing that on, because I feel like when you massage your skin, the blood vessels open, the pores are open, and you know, you're just getting that really deep into your skin, you know, making sure that the glycolic acid does what it does. And glycolic is one of the strongest AHA due to its smallest molecule size. Do I know what that means? Not really, but it's working for me. I like the fact that it, you know, gets rid of dead skin cells, especially me having eczema, and I have seen a massive improvement since using this whole brand in terms of fine lines and wrinkles. Anyway, moving on to the Retinol Fix eye treatment from Nip and Fab. I'm just placing that underneath my eyes, using my finger ring and middle finger just to, you know, pat that in and massage it in. I like to also I like to, you know, do this like spider crawl thing underneath my eyes once I've got the cream there, just to massage it a little bit. I don't like to dragging, I feel like is just pulling on your skin and is just going to make wrinkles and fine lines become more apparent, or you just create more. So I like to just tap lightly. Going in now with my Uni Glow Elixir Bright Eye from Jolie Beauty. Yes, I'm using 2 eye products today, but I love it because I'm going to be wearing makeup later on. So doing the same thing, but I like to go all around my eye just because this acts also as a primer for foundation and eyeshadows. But as you can see, I'm doing that whole spider finger thing. Now I'm going in with my Nivea Soft, and it has jojoba oil and vitamin E into that formula, and as you can see, I don't use that much on my hand or finger, and like I said in one of my videos, I just tend to tap it on like that, and you know, then smooth it all over to my face, make it melt in. And as you can see, I like to massage my face a lot. I want it to penetrate and do what it needs to do, and make sure that my skin afterwards will look healthy and glowy. Moving on to my sunscreen, so I am using the Nip and Fab Glow Protect and Replenish Illuminate SPF 30 moisturizer, and that's the reason why I don't put too much moisturizer on my hand or fingers. It's because I know I'm going to be putting another moisturizer on top. I mean, you can use a sunscreen or SPF, whatever you want to call it, as your moisturizer, because it is moisturizing, but I like to use two just because it just makes me feel like my whole routine is just more glamorous than what it really is. It's literally, I'm just doing my face. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just, you know, tapping away. Then I'm gonna go in now with my Uni Glow Perfecting Elixir from Jolie Beauty. I love this stuff to death. It has glowed. It has gold flakes in it, but those melt into your skin and they just give your skin this luminosity that, wow, it just looks lovely, and it looks so beautiful on every single skin tone that I have seen so far who's used this. And I'm just slapping my face, just making sure that everything sinks in. Yeah, I don't know why, but that's what I do. And I'm doing my hair now, but this is the end of the video basically. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and if you want to, you can go ahead and at the end of the video in a few seconds click on if you want to see a rundown on my skincare routine, or a rundown or a makeup tutorial, should I say. Anyway, bye.